I just did it. Holy moly. Boom. Oh my god. And it died from the shooting star. We got another slime person. Holy crap. We just did the first boss of the game. The slime. What did we get from it? We got the sound. Yes. We actually got the mount. We got the mount. Oh my god, guys. This is actually insane. We did it. Oh. Let's go. That's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it because that was very, very scary. It died from the star at the end. Look at all of this. Look at the battleground. My tactic was to go, and then when he would come, when he would spawn here, then I could go to the other. Oh my god. That was so intense. Guys, thanks for watching. Bye.